A district court in Rajasthan has directed the Special Operations Group of the Rajasthan Police to probe the role of Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat in a year-old Sanjeevani cooperative scam. This after two aggrieved persons approached the court saying they invested in Sanjeevani as they thought that Mr. Shekhawat was associated with it. For more on this, let's go across to Harsha Kumari Singh. Harsha, what exactly is this Sanjeevani scam, and what is now going to be the action of SOG in it?
Well, the Sanjeevani scam goes back about a year to 2019 when the FIR was registered. Now, basically, thousands of people invested in Sanjeevani Cooperative Society because there was somebody called Vikram Singh who was heading it, and apparently, that is what the petitioners have said, that they thought that that Gajendra Singh Shekhawat was also associated with it, and he would come for their functions, and hence they invested in Sanjeevani. And then, of course, they lost thousands of crores, hundreds of crores, to the tune of almost 900 crores is what the investment loss has been to investors. Now, Vikram Singh was caught for this, but Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, though he's mentioned in the charge sheet, in the second charge sheet, he was never really investigated because his name did not figure in the initial charge sheet. So he was never investigated, he was never charged. But now the petitioners have gone to court saying that his role should be investigated, and the court has accepted that and given directions to the SOG. So so as of now, we don't know if there will be a case against him or not, but definitely his role will be investigated. And in this connection, I also spoke to the lawyer for the petitioner, A.K. Jain.
Well, the political drama in Rajasthan now takes another twist and a turn. It could be spelling trouble for Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, as a district court has today given directions to the SOG that a one-year-old 900 crore rupee cooperative scam, the Sanjeevani cooperative scam, should investigate Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat's role. Now, how did this exactly happen? I have with me senior lawyer A.K. Jain. Jain Saab has in fact he is the lawyer for those people who had invested in Sanjeevani, and they have gone to court saying that Gajendra's role should be examined. Now, Jain Saab, can you explain to us, the Sanjeevani scam is 1 year old. At that time, the SOG did not file any charges against Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Why suddenly now, and what are your clients saying?
Around 50,000 people were duped of around 900 crores of rupees. And that includes my client also, who invested around 54,000. One is invested 54,000 and another is invested 14 lakhs rupees in that matter. That means, and they categorically says that we invested by seeing the face of Gajendra Singh Shekhawat.
No, what do you mean by seeing his face?
Because Gajendra Singh Shekhawat was present in all the meetings where the Vikram Singh was calling for investment, and the posters of the Sanjeevani Credit Cooperative Society. They further says that lot of the money, even during the investigation, SOG had found that lot of the money which this Sanjeevani Credit Cooperative Society take as the deposits were transferred to the account of Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, his wife, his colleagues and his companies like Navprabha, and further the SOG charge sheet itself says that this money was used for construction of a multi-story complex in Jodhpur and purchasing of land at Ethiopia by the companies in which Gajendra Singh Shekhawat was a director. But still, neither the property was seized nor Mr. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and his colleagues were interrogated and investigated. That means there was some device to leave some accused. That's why we approach to the court and say, please investigate Gajendra Singh Shekhawat's role and his friend's role in the matter and give us the justice.
In Jaipur, Harsha Kumari Singh for NDTV.